Hello, Mama here. I thought I would share an idea that I had to make practicing math fun with my daughter. She thought it was a fun idea, so I thought I'd share it. So what they're doing is they're breaking down their numbers into numbers that are easier to deal with. So like 8 isn't 8, it's 5 and 3. So if we did that, and they're drawing out their numbers, which is actually really cool. They're using visuals a lot, which is really great because that's how it really gets into memory. Okay, so 5 and 3. So with this, you can we can glue it down and save it, which is really neat and really cool. And I can put a middle on the flower. And I can also, if I wanted to, I can say what the problem is right here, and then I can write down what the answer is right here in the middle with seeds. We can draw out what the answer is. So let's draw out our answer. So 3 and 5 would be 8. So that means 8 seeds gets drawn in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seeds for this flower. And then there. And then if I had this all glued down and everything, I could save it and use it for like a set in a puppet show thing, or just use it to decorate the wall in the bedroom of my daughter's room, or make it into a card. There's a bunch of things you can do with it. So it's, really kind of neat. So not only is it helping them learn, but it's also just, a little piece of art of theirs that they're doing. So that's kind of neat. I thought it was a good idea. So then you could do the same thing. Let's say if this was an ice cream cone. I'm reusing some of them. Some of them have things written on them. And let's say I've got mint. And then 1, 2, 3, and then the cone. And then the sprinkles are the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's another one. So it's pretty much however you want to do it. If these were, if you wanted to do a set that was raining, and you could do these smaller in blue and different, like a dark blue and a light blue, and then do a bunch of different strings of different problems. You can do shrubs and trees, because trees, I mean, have different colored leaves. You can do different colors leaves, different colored leaves. And then just imagine doing the trunk instead. And then you could do apples up here for the answer instead of writing on it. Apples or lemons or cherries or, you know, whatever. And then you can do clouds with the gray. You could do a cloudy sky, the little sun peeking out. You can just do artsy things with these just because. I'm gonna get more shapes done and do more stuff with these. These are fun. They're just fun. So that's my idea, and I thought I would share it because my daughter thought it was fun. That it was a fun idea. So that's my idea, and I hope you guys think it's a cute little idea too.